does. I mean, but
Hey, I told you since December 25th.
why didn't I catch it?
Known about this.
You should have sent me a reminder yesterday. I could have told her.
That's what we spoke yesterday, didn't we? Almost ready, brother. Get a napkin and you'll just hand it to you. I mean, it's beef, so this was ready too. That's it. Beef, bro. How did she like the sticky rice? She likes sticky rice, though, right? Your wife?
Yeah. She likes all your food.
Takes so she can eat too.
I was shocked about Sonia Painter though.
Why?
I don't know. I was surprised. I actually never really cared before, but something like that is like kind of extreme. Don't you think?
Yeah, so, it's your wife, your mother, wife of your children. I mean, the mother of your children. You know, and your relationship is. I don't know. Why did she? Why do you guys have a clause for that? You know. Why you have? You know, I mean, like. I mean, you know, that's just strange. What do you guys want to do to the? Yeah. Really? But then when they start being nicer, so it's one at a time. And they're like,
Stupid thing.
Cool guy. They're from the same area. No, he's from Philadelphia.
No, Chris from Jersey.
I know.
Painter's from Chicago.
Chicago? Yeah. Oh.